Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. The look for today is based on the colors of my sari. In a little bit, you can see that there's lots of orange and a little bit of gold going on. So I decided to play with some different shades of orange, and that's how I came up with that look. I hope you like it, and I hope you continue watching it. Thank you. I'm applying this Pro-longwear concealer from MAC in the shade NC42 with my finger. And then to set this concealer, I'm using a setting powder from Kat Von D, where I'm using a brush. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using today is Tropical from Dream of Colors. I'm going to use this shade called the Seashell Hunting on my crease. It's brown shade, so it's going to give that extra warmth. And with my brush, I'm going to go in a circular motion from the inner crease to the outer crease. On top of this, I'm going to apply another shade called the Go-Go, which is kind of a reddish color. So I'm going to apply that now. And blending both the colors together and using the same technique, I go from the inner crease to the outer crease. The next shade that I'm going to use is called Tequila Sunrise, and this is kind of like a yellowish orange, so I'm going to use this shade to cover my entire lid, and this will be a perfect base for the rest of the colors. And the next one is called Sex on the Beach. Ooh, what a name, right? So this is kind of like a terracotta orange, a beautiful, beautiful shade. So I'm going to apply that on top of the Sunrise Tequila, and finally is going to be the Lava Flow. This is more like a bright reddish orange, and this is going to give that pop. And I am going to drag this color all the way down a little bit. Make sure to pack all these colors really well so that it stands out. The next color we're going to use is called the Seashell Hunting, which we used earlier. It's the brown shade, so we're going to use it on the outer crease just a little bit to give that extra dimension. So now we're going to blend the Seashell Hunting with a brush in a circular motion from the outer crease to the inner crease. And blend really well. Blending is a main key when you apply eyeshadows. It just makes your the definition of your eyes comes through blending. And finally, I'm going to use this color called Vacay. It's kind of a yellowish gold, and since my sari had some gold, I just wanted to apply just a teeny bit of gold. And so I'm using a brush and lightly blending it. So it kind of gives a little bit of a sheen. We're gonna use a liquid eyeliner, and the one that I'm using is from e.l.f. It's one of my favorites. I mean, it's not long lasting, but it's pretty pigmented and it's very easy to apply. So I kind of always go with e.l.f. In spite of me having other eyeliners. I mean, it's very easy to apply. Then for my waterline, I'm gonna use the eyeliner from Clinique. I mean, it's an okay one, I feel there are much better ones out there in the market that are more pigmented. Then I'm going to use the pencil brush to spread the pigment around, just to even it out. This actually kind of gives a pretty neat look. And then I'm using a mascara from MAC. One thing I forgot is to curl my lashes. I think I forgot to do that even for my first video. It's been a while since I did makeup, and so just trying to get the hang of it. So this is my finished look. I hope you like it. Always remember that there is no right or wrong to makeup. Makeup keeps changing every year, the fashion, the style. And just because I use this palette doesn't mean you have to use the same palette. Just experiment with whatever you have, and it's just a technique, you know. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe and give a thumbs up, and feel free to send me suggestions and ideas. My email is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching again.